Welcome back, quiz lovers! In today's challenge, you'll be guessing some of the rarest and most unique animals from around the world. Each one is a real challenge, so let's see how sharp your animal knowledge really is. Think you're up for it? Let's get started. Good luck! Flying fish. They are known for their ability to leap out of water and glide through the air. Aye. It's a nocturnal lemur from Madagascar with long fingers for tapping trees. Axolotl. It's a Mexican salamander that can regenerate limbs. Okapi. It's the giraffe's only living relative that lives in Congo. Quokka. A small, friendly-looking animal from Australia, often called the happiest animal because of its smiling face. Saiga antelope. It is distinct for its large nose adapted for breathing dust-free air. Fossa. Madagascar's largest carnivore resembling a small cougar. Pangolin. It's a scaly mammal that curls up into a ball for protection. Red panda. A tree-dwelling mammal with red fur known for its playful nature. Binturong. Also known as a bear cat, it smells like popcorn due to a scent it releases. Shoebill. A large bird with a beak shaped like a shoe found in African swamps. Dumbo octopus, a deep-sea octopus named for its ear-like fins. Proboscis monkey, famous for its large comical nose found in Borneo. Gerenuk. A long-necked antelope that stands on its hind legs to reach leaves. Maned wolf. A tall fox-like wolf with reddish fur found in South America. Kakapo. A critically endangered flightless parrot from New Zealand. Pink fairy armadillo, the smallest armadillo species with a pink shell and burrowing habits. Margay. A small wild cat that lives in trees and can climb very well. Tuatara, a reptile from New Zealand that has existed since the age of dinosaurs. Numbat, a small animal from Australia that eats termites and has a striped back. Markhor, a wild goat with spiral horns native to the mountains of Central Asia. Sun bear, the smallest bear species with a distinctive yellow chest marking. Dole, a wild dog native to Asia known for hunting in packs. Caracal, a medium-sized wildcat with long, tufted ears. Dugong, a large sea animal related to the manatee that eats seagrass and is sometimes called a sea cow. Galapagos penguin, the only penguin species found north of the equator. Tree kangaroo, a tree-dwelling marsupial from New Guinea and Australia. Oncilla, a small wildcat from Central and South America, also called the little spotted cat. Babirusa, a pig-like animal with upward curving tusks found in Indonesia. Patagonian mara, a large rabbit-like rodent from South America. Tibetan fox, a small fox with a square-shaped face and thick fur. Raccoon dog, a canid that resembles a raccoon native to East Asia. Andean cock of the rock, a brightly colored bird with a distinctive crest found in the Andes. Fennec fox, a small desert fox with oversized ears native to the Sahara. Kinkajou, a rainforest mammal with a long prehensile tail, also called a honey bear. Echidna, a spiny mammal that lays eggs related to the platypus. That's the end of our quiz. How many rare animals did you guess? Let us know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes. See you next time!